Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zapier to automate workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Zapier website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Make a Zap button to start creating a new workflow. Choose your desired trigger app from the list displayed. After selecting the app, you'll be prompted to connect it to your Zapier account. Click on the Connect button. A new window will open, requesting your authorization for Zapier to access your account. Follow the prompts to log into the app if necessary. Allow the requested permissions by clicking the Authorize button. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to Zapier. Now, complete the required fields to set up your trigger. Test the trigger to ensure everything is working correctly. Next, select your action app where you want the data to be sent. Again, you'll need to connect this app to your Zapier account. Click on Connect and repeat the authorization process as before. After connecting, configure the action settings to suit your workflow needs. Test the action to verify that it works as intended. Optionally, you can add more actions or filters to refine your workflow further. Once satisfied with your setup, click on the Turn on Zap button. Your Zap is now live and will automate your specified workflows seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.